Hello students, welcome to Infotech Pathshala. In this video, you will learn how to print the first and multiples of a given number. This is based on the practical solutions for class 11th Informatics Practices subject. So let's start. I'll explain the code first, then we will see how it works practically. So first of all, what is multiples of a given number? On the bottom left corner of the screen, multiples of 4 are given, that is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and so on. So in this way we will be printing multiples of a given number. So let's start with the code. In the first two statements, I'm taking input from the user. First, a variable will hold the number, the multiple of which you want to print, and n variable will hold the limit. In the next statement, b variable is declared, which will contain one value. The for loop, as you can see, for loop is running from 1 to n plus 1, and for each value of I will be multiplied by a, and b variable will hold that multiplication, and each time we are printing b value. And come to its explanation part. A will contain 5, n will contain 7. For example, I have entered 5 in A and 7 in N. Now I value is getting increased by 1, and for each value of I, B will contain multiplication of A and I, which is equals to 5, 10, 15, 20 respectively. So let's see how it works practically. Program I've written over here. So I'll run this code, and it is asking me to enter the number, the multiple of which you want to print. Say I'm entering 7, and the limit is I'm taking 10. So as you can see, multiples of 7 are getting printed on the screen. So in this way we can print the multiple of given numbers. Thank you.